Today I am in Melbourne because I've been invited by Cambridge Design and Build to showcase this incredible home, and I know you will love it. It has some amazing features. So let's go inside and take our time so we can have a really good look around. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, I can see straight down the corridor at the pool area. That's already a wow factor. But have a look at the chevron flooring. I love the color. And then you've got wainscoting on the wall, which adds elegance. Beautiful sconces. Now, before we check out the rooms across here, I'm going to take you straight down the hallway into the heart of the home. So where the kitchen and living area is. Okay, so here it is. Look at the beautiful open plan living. There is dining in one corner. You've got the kitchen. Wow, and what a kitchen it is. Living area just across here. So let's start in the kitchen area. Oh, and of course, the gorgeous coffered ceilings up here. So this kitchen island is definitely a wow factor. Absolutely gorgeous, great size pendants for this size island. Over here, you've got a little prep area. You can actually put like a coffee machine through there, filtered water. I'm guessing this is where the integrated fridge is. And then, wow, look at this stove, beautiful. And I do like how they've also added a window on either side. So you're getting that extra natural lighting. Your pot water through here. All right, come across this way into your pantry. There is a sink here, so you can do all the, all the prep through here. Great size pantry, and then straight down your laundry area. Now they've got a great window here, and oh my goodness, they've got a gold sink. That's pretty cool. And then straight down the end is the garage, so you can walk straight through here with bags. Over here is your living area. Now this is great. I mean, check out the size of this window. So they've got a great size picture window overlooking the pool area, and they've got windows everywhere around here. Let's go. So this looks like it opens up completely, so that's great. You'll probably get a really nice breeze if you open this. Then across here, now take a look at that garden wall. That looks amazing, but it's a fake garden wall because I have the same one at my house. So I love seeing it when other people use it as well. I mean, that's beautiful. Anyway, let's go out this way into your outdoor entertaining area. Great high ceilings. And then you've got a beautiful table, actually. I love the curves. So across here, there is a sink for entertaining, TV, fireplace, barbecue area. And it's all covered so you can use it all year round. And then across here is your pool area. There's a pool bar. I've just noticed that there's another TV there too. So you've got two TVs out here. And then you've got a shower just around the corner. Basketball court. Oh my goodness. And they've put a putting green through there. Now that's such a good idea, especially sometimes you've got this dead area and you don't know what to do with it. I love that they've put a putting green through there. Let's go back inside. And we're gonna go back at the front entry because there are a few rooms there that we're going to have a look at. So come back in, guys. French doors. I love that. You can close that off. Okay. A room across here. They've turned it into your cinema media room, and it does feel like a cinema because you've got this step up here. They actually look really comfy, these sofas. Bar area. And then you can close this off. This will be so cozy. And before we head downstairs, let's have a look what's in here. Oh, come and have a look. So office space. Great size office space. And then if we go back at the front, this is the first bedroom. Beautiful bedroom because they've chosen to also have coffered ceilings up here. There's a great size window, so it's lovely and bright. Nice little nook area around the corner, and there's a walk-in robe just through there. And let's go back around. Love these floors. Okay, so, okay, so I think this is a laundry chute. So you've got a laundry chute here, storage space, come through, you've got the guest toilet, and then across here is your mudroom. So garage through here, if you remember, this is the laundry and it goes straight into the kitchen. And now we're gonna go upstairs to have a look at the bedrooms. Wow, it's actually got a beautiful chandelier, and I love how they've carried through the wainscoting upstairs too. So here we are. Now in front of me, there's another living area, a little desk, actually not little, huge desk. And I love how they've carried through the chevron flooring upstairs too. Beautiful. Now across here, everything you see here, this is all storage space. Number one thing about having a home is make sure you have a home with lots of storage space. Come across this way, guys. Now straight down, there is a kid's bedroom. You've got a guest bathroom just here. And then across here is our third bedroom. Great size window, lots of natural lighting. There's a walk-in robe just across there. And in front of me is the bathroom. Beautiful ensuite. Wow, okay, this is great. It's a really great size bathroom, especially with all this benchtop space and storage. And I love the color of the cabinetry. I'm gonna have to find out what it is. It's really, really pretty. Beautiful sconces, bathtub with this great window through here, and also the shower. And okay, so it looks like it's a Jack and Jill bathroom, because if you walk straight through here, there's a fourth bedroom. That's very clever. Walk-in robe as well in this bedroom. Great window. Let's keep going. And then this is the second living area up here, and another desk. So downstairs is the office, and then they've put another desk here. This will be great for kids, so they can study up here. And second living room area, TV area, lounge. Love that. But this is what I'm excited about. Let's go in and have a look at the master bedroom. Take it all in. This is a very large, spacious, beautiful master bedroom. Wainscoting feels very elegant. I love the color palette actually throughout this whole home. Got a little nook here with the TV. There's a desk just across there. Now, should I start? Let's start in the bathroom. Oh, here we go. So this is the laundry chute that I was talking about when we were downstairs. I didn't know exactly where in the house it was, but there it is. Love it. And then come through to your ensuite. Again, nice size window, so you do get that natural light. Double sink. Love the sconce, beautiful tiles. And then check out this shower. Double shower, but I love how they've put a step through here. This is great for us ladies when we're shaving our legs. All right, let's go across here. So this master bedroom has two walk-in robes, one on either side. Let's go and have a look at this one here. So this is the men's walk-in robe. Geez, it's nice and neat, isn't it? You don't want to see my walk-in robe, doesn't look like that. And then straight across the other side is the other walk-in robe. How elegant is it? Love the island. But the main feature, honestly, when do you see a walk-in robe that has this size window, okay, from one wall to the other, so you get that lots of natural light through here. I do like how they've got doors, so it keeps it looking very neat. Absolutely beautiful. So that's it, guys. What do you think? I really hope you've enjoyed the tour. Firstly, I just want to say thank you to Michael for inviting us down to Melbourne. If you've got any questions about this home, leave them in the description box. I will try my best to answer them. But thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see a next home tour, make sure you subscribe. But again, thank you.